Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to turn off protected view in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. Let's say you received an Excel file from the internet or another source, and every time you run this file you get this protected view inscription. Although the protected view mode protects the computer from unsafe files obtained from unreliable sources, in most cases such an inscription is not needed, so let's delete it. Go to the File tab, Options, click Trust Center and then Trust Center Settings. In the window that opens, click Protected View and remove all three checkmarks from these checkboxes: a file from the internet, a file from unsafe locations, and Outlook attachments. Now click OK, and the next time you run this file, the protected view entry will disappear. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.